This is Jim, and I am the Carpenter's woodworker. Today I'm just going to give you a really quick shop tour. I had this built years ago. It's a huge building. It's 20 by 40 and has two 10-foot awnings on both ends and 3 doors, so that I can, we live in Georgia, so I can open all 3 doors and get a breeze most of the time. But anyway, I just wanted to show you, I have so much stuff that I've accumulated over the years that you won't hardly believe your eyes. This is not a shop tour of a nice, neat, somebody's gone in there and scrubbed it down before they gave you the video or they showed the video. This is likely a mess in a lot of places. So let's start, well, right here where we're at. We'll go this way. And this is my laser cutter, and this is my CNC machine. So you can see that I'm capable of doing a lot of stuff in this shop. Just a bookshelf that I picked up that was pretty reasonable. Then we move on down to a storage pile that I just put an old tablecloth over. This machine right here is a very useful machine for making buttons. If you do buttons for you know, your kids' magnets on the refrigerator or that sort of thing. This is a hydraulic one, and that makes it a whole lot quicker and a whole lot faster than if you normally would have to do it by hand. This is a vinyl cutting machine, and it's great for cutting vinyl. This is a planer that I picked up years ago, but it works fine. It's a really useful tool here in the shop. This is my jigsaw. I make a lot of stuff with the jigsaw, and that's really cool. And you can see the background where when I built this place, I put the perforated panel on this side of the shop so that I could hang things, and it's not near enough space. This is a very old lathe that I purchased years ago, and you can see I was turning a pen on this thing recently. This is a Cyclone dust remover that I use just for this lathe because it's too bulky to move around. I put these things up because I got tired of cleaning the shelves inside, but they're simply storage shelves, and I store all kinds of stuff. Like I say, I have so much stuff in here. This is something I built for my clamps. I have clamps on both sides. I have stuff laying on the floor. A grinder, scrap wood back here in this corner that I use all the time. This is a project that I have been working on, a garden box. I have a small that goes on a dining room table. It's got the insert, just put it in there, and a larger one for a shrub or something like that. And then this one for vegetables or flowers or whatever you want to put in it. But you can see just scanning on the outside here how much stuff I have and how much stuff I've collected over the years. It's insane. I do a lot of sanding out here so that I don't get a lot of dust in there. In this Georgia weather, this is protected pretty well out here, so this is what I do. This is a workbench that I use now and again. There's a drill press, a tabletop drill press that I just supported up here, and I have my chargers in the back, a ton of bits and that sort of thing. Sometimes when I have long pieces that I want to drill, I put this out here so that it's level. This is my 60-gallon air tank, and you can see I have a 18 gauge gun attached to that. And there's a welding machine. This is a project, a bird feeder that I had been working on, a church bird feeder, and this is all the extra pieces that I've had over the years. This is my main workstation right here. This is my main workbench, and you can see I'm working on another garden box. This one's a little bit different design. I made it taller, and I made the ends more decorative. But you can see right here is the table saw, and that just glides right. It's even with the table. You can see on the floor over there is a sled for this table saw that I can put all kinds of inserts in there if I'm doing dados or whatever that might be. And here is just a shelving unit that I can put all my tools that are packaged. Makes it a little bit more convenient for me. And this, don't ever have a shop without one of these. This keeps you cool in the summer and keeps your watermelon cold. Here's a bunch of wood that's been sanded down. 3 of these are just pine picket fences, and these are, all the rest are cedar. You can see these are cut-offs from the project that I got on the workbench there, the garden box. This is a toolbox. I made this toolbox in high school, actually, and I still have it, and I'm 72. So, and this one I bought because it was an overflow. Here's a bunch of squirrel feeders that I made over the years, and they're really good sellers, and a lot of people love these things. Generator, because we do have the power goes out occasionally here in Georgia weather. I hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope you've enjoyed seeing the shop. I hope that you've had the opportunity to get your mind flowing. Hey, maybe I can get 2 or 3 other machines in here that I can just put to the side and bring out only when I need. And that's kind of the case for about 4 of those machines over along the side. I didn't show you the miter saw there. It's in the middle, and that is probably the biggest tool in any shop. I have another video where I show you how to actually install a tape measure for these things, because a lot of, well, I don't know, very few brands that have ever come with a tape for you to use. But this is a really good method that I came up with here. Actually, I didn't come up with it. Somebody along the line made that tape and made the 2-sided tape to go with it. But I hope you've enjoyed it. I hope you've learned a few things. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, and certainly to my Facebook page. There'll be links below to that. I ask that you would stand by, because I have more videos. I'm just getting started with the videos. More videos to come. God bless you.